Land has been given to Adani. The Sundargarh compensatory afforestation money has been placed with Balangir district, and the forest department is aware of this issue. The compensatory afforestation land was not available in Sundargarh Jilla as mentioned by them, for which they've given that placed that money with Balangir district. And as per the agreement done by the last government, the people who were raising it today, it was their government which has done the agreement that the land will be procured by the company, afforestation will be done there, and the land will be transferred to the government account. So they wanted to make an issue out of a non-issue. They are the ones who are protesting at the ground level. I have specifically clearly said that if any kind of land or any kind of company tries to come to Gandhamardhan and take the Gandhamardhan hill for any kind of industry to be set up, we will oppose it. And I will sit with them, I will stand with them opposing that.
So last question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Odisha on 29 and will hold a road show. So what do you want to say on that?
Prime Minister is coming, we are there to welcome him, and if you've been following after the 2024 elections, wherever the Prime Minister goes, he says Jai Jagannath and starts from there. So it's the blessings of Lord Jagannath that he is coming, and he's going to be here for 2 days. And we can expect some positive results and positive things happening for Orissa.
Sir, you have been at Maharashtra to campaign for party, and party you win tremendously. New government will be for
I had after my return from Maharashtra, when friends from the electronic and print media had asked me as to what I felt about Maharashtra, I had said people wanted a stable government. This is what they talked about. And now they have given the mandate. If you look at the mandate also that the people have given in Maharashtra, not only Maharashtra, even in Jharkhand, it is basically Ladli Behna Yojana, which is Subhadra here. The Maharashtra government implemented it in Maharashtra, and the Jharkhand government implemented it. So it is, the mandate has gone in favor of the women, have all come out and supported.
Are you seeing a BJP CM being crowned, or like Nitish style will be there?
Look, we went to the polls with the Mahayukti. And let's wait and see what the leadership is deciding. I am not a part of the selection.
Sir, what is your take on Bangladesh issue? Hindu fans are arrested and so many...
See, that is a matter not related to Orissa. It's a matter related between two countries, and the Indian Home Minister, Government of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, as well as the External Affairs Minister, and others are in talks, and they will be better.
So it should be condemned or not?
It is condemned. It is definitely condemned. No country should act against another country's